everybody. A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. So today's reading is going to be how the third week of November is going to be for all of you, 15 to 21st of November. So here I have kept three options. The options are not very clear to you right now, but next clipping you can see a clear picture of these options. The first option is cat, second is butterfly, and third is an iron. So we will see what these messages have for you, and also I have three channeled messages. So before I began the reading, I got three channel messages, very short messages. So I've handwritten them, and we'll see with every group which message is there. And thank you to all those who like my channel, who leave a comment, and who view this video. Thank you so much. If you feel that my videos can help somebody else also, please share with them, help my channel to grow. I always need your support and your blessings. My Instagram link is in the description box. If you want to have a personal reading, you can see the link in the description box as well. So the timestamps are in the description box. You can get connected to your reading, and I shall see you there. Thank you. Welcome to your reading, group 1. So all those who have chosen this charm, the cat charm, so this is a charm of good luck. So you are inviting good luck into your life. And also 1111 portal has just gone, so the energies are still there. So good luck is coming into your life. So the first card tells me woman holding a heart. So definitely for some of you, there is a new love coming into your life. It can be a new relationship. It could be a marriage proposal. It could also be a person, a female figure coming into your life who will help you to heal all the wounds of your heart. She could also be a mentor in your life, a guide in your life who could help you in your job, in your career journey as well in this week. So definitely a lady figure is going to be of importance for you in this coming week. This week is going to have very swift energies. You will feel as if the week has gone too fast. It had just begun and now it has just passed away. So the week is going to be really swift. I can see some of you moving ahead in this week with a lot of passion, with courage, no fears in your heart towards your goals, towards whatever you want to achieve in life. It could be moving towards a new project, a new thought that has come into your mind, a new creativity that has come into your mind. It could be just following the passion of yours that you always wanted to do. Some of you might have your root chakra overactivated this week, so be little in a state of meditation so you can balance your energies this week. With 8 of Wands, I can see a swift energy entering into your life. It could be a proposal, it could be a message, it could be a news, an information. Movement is definitely there. A travel is definitely there. It could be a work travel for many of you, but travel is indicated. Some of you will receive certain energy, certain informations which are unexpected and which will come very suddenly in this week. You were not expecting it, it will come suddenly in this week. Communication is going to be of prime importance in this coming week. You will have to be very careful of how you are communicating what you are communicating. Your thoughts need to be clear. You don't have to have any place for confusions. Some of you will be very confident, assertive, and will communicate very fearlessly. And some of you need to be little mindful when you're communicating. Be very honest in all the communication that you do. Even if you're doing a communication with yourself, be honest, because that is going to help you to move ahead in life. Anyways, movement is happening, growth is happening. You have two number 8s, 44 and 8 there. So both are 8 number cards. So movement is happening towards growth, towards prosperity. Regarding health, I feel that some of you might have a problem in your right side body this week. So be a little cautious about it. work on your chakras, balance them. We have message from the angels. So first is gifts from God. Here you are being told that we angels bring you gifts from your creator. Open your arms to receive. You already have chosen the good luck charm. So here the angels are sending you gifts. They are sending you, it can be a gift that you need right now in your life. It could be a gift of courage. It could be a gift of clarity. It could be a gift of new opportunity. It could be a gift of love. So open your arms and receive whatever the Creator, your divine, is sending your way. Second message is, I am helping your spiritual sight to awaken fully so you can clearly see heavenly love. If some of you are little disturbed, are not trusting God at this time, so here the angel is telling you that they are helping you to understand that whatever happens in your life happens for a reason. Maybe this week this clarity is going to come to you. This movement that is coming, it could be a movement of clarity, that yes, whatever did not happen in the past, or what you wanted to happen did not happen, and you were little upset with divine, so your divine will show you that why he did not let that happen in your life. So these are the gifts coming into your life in this week. Receive them with love. I have a channel message for you here, a very short message. Believe in your worth. You are much worthy than what you believe in. So believe in your worth. You can do miracles for your own self. You just need to have that courage, have faith in God, believe in your skills, your capabilities, and move ahead in life. As it is, this week is about movement. So you utilize the energies of this week. May you all have a great week ahead. Welcome to your reading group 3, group 2, sorry. Those who chose the butterfly charm. This is going to be your reading. Butterfly is a symbol of change, symbol of transformation. So maybe this coming week you will see a lot of butterflies around you. These are the messages that angels, your spirit team, divine wants to give you, that now is the time to make certain changes in your life which will help you to grow as an individual, to grow in your career, to grow towards prosperity, to a growth towards a better future. So this week is going to bring changes for you. So the first card we have here is the Thinking Man. So some of you have certain opportunities in hand, or you are going to receive opportunities this week where you will have to take a decision whether you want to go with that opportunity or not. It can be a life-changing opportunity for many of you here. So you will be planning a lot, weighing all the consequences of what kind of opportunity, where is this opportunity going to lead you. Since this card is 46, which comes to 10, that means if you're going with this opportunity, then definitely an old chapter in your life is going to end and you're going to begin something new in your life. 7 of Cups is also telling us that there are a lot of opportunities, options, choices, illusions in your life right now. And as you move ahead in life, you are going to come out of these illusions and you are going to pick up what is right for you. The Star card indicates this is your week. You are going to be in the spotlight. You are going to shine this week. All you need to do is bring out the best that you have within you. All your skills, your capabilities, what is your true self. Just reveal that completely, fearlessly. Use that courage and show the world who you actually are. You will need to have a balance in this week, to create a balance in this week, because there will be up and down in your emotions in this week. 11/11 portal energies are still there. So this week will have up and down of energy. So to balance them, do consume lot of water, which will help you to balance your emotions. You can do meditation near a water body, take a walk near water body. That will be helpful for you. You will be whatever you're destined for, this week is going to show that direction or give you that whatever you're destined for, you are going to receive it in this week. You will receive support and love from your family, your friends, your colleagues. Uh, Ladies might face problem with their white discharge this week, but consumption of water will definitely help you in this week. This week, since illusions are going to vanish away, so many truths will be revealed. For some of you, this truth could be maintaining a distance from your family after the truth is revealed, feeling little disheartened. But whenever a truth is revealed, it does bring changes in our thought process, in how we perceive life for ourselves. And definitely that growth helps us to move ahead with more positivity, more maturity, and learnings. So here movement is happening in this week for many of you. Some of you will be relocating, shifting houses, or shifting your city. But definitely whatever movement is going to happen is going to take you further towards a better future in your life. I can see recovery and healing happening in case of any health issue that you are going through. But definitely a change in your thought process is coming in this week. Butterfly energies are there with you. Angels are here to tell you something. Sensitivity, Archangel Haniel. She's the angel of intuition, to gift us intuition. So she's telling you that you are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. As I told you, some of you might be a little disturbed. There will be up and down of energies. Just acknowledge those emotions. Flow with those emotions. Go through that process. Don't be in a rush to come out of that process. Just go through that process and you'll be fine by the end of this process. Archangel Michael is here to reassure you, to give you that strength. Remember who you are. You are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. So here, God is telling you that you are loved by me. Even if you feel that nobody loves you, I am there to love you. I am there to care for you. I will guide your way. So have faith in God, shine, and let the world see who you really are. Use the energy of this week for yourself. I have a very short channel message that I'm going to read for you here. You will be blessed with opportunities. So yes, the week is about opportunities. So opportunities are coming towards you. Just open your arm and welcome those new energies into your life. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 3. So all those who chose this charm, this is going to be your reading. So this week I feel some of you will try to suppress your energies, will try to suppress your emotions. But some of you will have that strength to move ahead in life, to face your challenges. Now let's see what are the cards telling me. Looking at the cards, I can surely tell you that this is a spiritual group. Here, spiritual awakening is going to happen for many of you. The first card is Door to Spirit. It's a number 32 card which comes to 5. So changes are going to happen in your energies. You will feel a positivity within you. You will sometimes feel confused that what is actually happening within you. There will be downpour of intuitions. You might get up at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, because that's the time when you connect to divine, your angels. That is the moment to connect to your angels and divine. You will get, attracted to questions that are arising within you. What is spirit world? What is the purpose of my soul? What is divine? What is destiny? You might get all these spiritual questions within you this week. So here the spirit world is opening that door for you. This week you will feel that there are feelings within you that you can feel that this is going to happen, and you will witness that. You might feel a positive presence around you. You might see a lot of butterflies. You might see rainbows. You might feel an aroma around you. That is the way which the spirit, the soul wants to connect to you. The angels want to connect to you. So pay attention to all these energies that are around you. 1111 portal energies are still there. You might feel an up and down in your energies. You might feel confused at some time. People who are trying to find resources for their business, they will also get that resources this week. You will find a growth in your finances happening. Also, this week is good for people who are in event management, photography, this creative field. This week is good for them. There is creativity, there is passion in this week, there is hard work happening in this week. For some of you, you will decide to now follow a path that will take you towards spirituality. Many things are not going to be clear in this week for you, because this is a week of beginning. So maybe this is the week of taking the first step towards spirituality, to connecting to your divine on a more deeper level, to connecting to your own self on a deeper level, to understanding your angels, understanding your soul team. Many of you might detach yourself from situations, from people, from relationships, or from a job area where which no more serves you. Whatever learning had to happen has happened with that relation, with that person, or with that job environment. You will now find yourself detaching from that unpleasantness, that negativity, and taking another step towards more positivity now. This week, dreams are going to be of importance. So understand what your dreams are trying to guide you, what messages are coming towards you. You can maintain a dream journal where you can write down your dreams every day, so that you're able to make a connect with those dreams. You're able to connect your dreams yourself. You will find an evolution happening within you. Things will not be very clear to you this week, but yes, evolution is going to happen this week, where you will find yourself choosing a path which is going to take you in a direction which you yourself were not aware that you would ever take that direction for yourself. So because it is more of a spiritual journey, so here I mean the path is of spirituality. Nobody thinks which path we will take in future, but this week will take you on a different path. And things are going to be little unclear for you this week especially. Changes are going to happen. Trust your intuition this week. Work with water. Meditate. Meditate. This meditation will help you to connect to your spirit, to yourself, to divine, and to the intuition within you. Let's see what angels have to tell you. Sorry, before I begin that, I also see recovery happening in health sector. You will be very conscious of your health this week. You will keep your health before anything else. Your priority is going to be your health, be it exercise, your diet, or whatever you are following, but it is going to be of importance, and you will be very cautious of it. Now let's see what message angels are giving you. Be very gentle with yourself at this time. Surround yourself with gentle people, situation, and environment. So since energy shift is going to happen for you, so be very sure of which environment you are creating for yourself, what kind of people you are dealing with. If you feel that certain people do not pass on soft energies, positive energies, do not meet them this week. Surround yourself with people, with things that give you more positivity. Maybe you can have more plants in your room, maybe you can light incense, maybe you can clear your space, but something that will only give you more positivity will help you this week. Second message, notice the loving guidance you hear inside your mind or from other people. As I told you earlier, downpour of intuition is going to happen. Trust it. Use that guidance, because that guidance is definitely going to take you ahead in life. There can be people who might suggest you something. There could be any messages that are coming through your WhatsApp or any other. You might just read a quote somewhere that affects you. So take a note of all these indications in your life as you move ahead. So have a blessed week. A beautiful beginning is coming into your life. I had written 3 channel messages. So this is the message that is left for this group. Stay connected to divine. So this is the message for you. The more you connect to divine, the more you will find answers to your questions. Thank you.